In this video, I will show you how to simply translate your Weidian shopping app from Chinese language to English language. Whether you have been using the Weidian shopping app for a very long time or you are new to the app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can simply change the language without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have WeChat app on your Android phone or iPhone. Open up your WeChat app. And the next thing you want to do is to see how you can access your Weidian shopping app right here in WeChat. For that, go ahead and click on Discover. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on Mini Program right here. And right here, you have access to all available mini program right here. Alternatively, you can come to the Home tab right here, click on Search, and then go ahead and type in Weidian, just like so. So you have the app right here. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you to the Weidian shopping app interface right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to enter store. Then you have product available right here. So from the point here, we can easily translate all this language from Chinese to English language. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, Weidian, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So last thing we want to do here is to see how we can translate from Chinese to English completely. For that, we want to make sure we click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to simply slide this way. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on translation. Boom. In a few seconds, everything right here fully translated into English language. One great thing here is that if you click on any of the products right here, you read the product detail in English language. For instance, if I click on this particular shoe right here, if I'm interested in this shoe, I'm going to simply go ahead and open up the shoe link. When I open up the shoe link, it's going to load to the sales page right here. Then I can easily scroll down right here. You can see everything now has been fully translated into English language. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to source, ship products from China using Weidian shopping app or any other Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Weidian, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.